Home Remedies presents 7 brilliant life hacks using table salt everyone should know. Number 4 is epic. If you think the only way to use salt is in your cooking, you are in for a big surprise. Salt is a naturally occurring compound, sodium chloride, which has been around for at least 8,000 years. The mineral is essential for life. It is an essential nutrient for health because of its electrolytes. Besides that, there are tons of different uses of salt which extend far beyond simply seasoning tasty dishes. Let's see some most useful salt hacks today. You will discover some truly helpful tricks today. Number 1. Cleaning the iron. If you have ever find that your clothing iron has something sticky onto the bottom of it, try this simple trick to clean it off completely. Set the iron to hot, and while it heats up, grab a sheet of wax paper and sprinkle on a layer of plain old table salt. Rub the iron back and forth across the salted wax paper, and soon the salt will pick up the residue and cause it to clump, leaving behind a clean iron. Number 2. Cleaning sponges. Instead of buying new sponges, you can use salt to refresh and clean your sponges. Place 2 cups of water in a small container, dissolve in 1/4 cup of salt, submerge the dirty sponge and allow it to soak overnight. The next day, all you have to do is remove the sponge. It should be clean and back to being usable. Number 3. Clogged drain. If you have a clogged drain, salt can also help you clear it up. First, remove as much of the clog and hair as you can before combining 1/4 cup of baking soda with a 1/4 cup of salt. Mix it up and pour it down the drain. Then pour about a 1/2 cup of white vinegar down right after it and watch as it fizzles up like a soda pop. Let this sit for at least 15 minutes while it works its magic and eats away the clog. Now pour 1/2 gallon of boiling water down the drain. Number 4. Cleaning red wine spill. This works for everything, even red wine. Blot the stain with a damp sponge. Then generously pour salt over it. Next, let it sit for 8 hours and go on with your life. In the morning, the salt will have sucked up all of the wine. The salt literally draws liquid out of the carpet. Number 5. Deodorize shoes. Sprinkle some salt in your smelliest shoes at night and shake them out in the morning for fresher feet with zero effort. Number 6. Cleaning spilled eggs. Eggs. If you ever accidentally drop one, simply pour salt over the runny mess and wait 10 to 15 minutes before cleaning it up. Use enough salt to cover the entire area of the spilled egg. About a handful of salt. The salt will turn the liquid part to gel, and when you wipe it up, it will stay together and won't drip or run all over, saving you lots of paper towels in the process. Number 7. Clean pans and pots. If you have pots and pans that are all dirty with caked, burnt-on crud, salt can help clean them up. Coat the bottom of the pan with a layer of salt, add a little water, wait 10 minutes, then wipe away the mess and rinse it off. Hopefully these brilliant salt uses will come in handy and make your life easier. Try them out and see how helpful and inexpensive they really are. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.